Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be making a huge acrylic painting of Finn from Adventure Time. Please stay till the end to find out how it turns out.
Whoa, dude's got awesome powers. Hey dude, you got awesome powers!
But first we need to make the sketch. This is my first time actually painting anything, so I'll be using the Arteza acrylic paint markers for this one. The sketch is done, now let's transfer it onto my canvas.
Yeah, I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel line.
Okay, that was really satisfying. Okay, so now let's start painting.
Cause I don't know how this gonna end.
Since this is a big painting, I'm gonna take a while to finish painting it.
Tell me now, tell me something. Cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah.
Please be sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.
The craziest things. Yeah.
Okay, I kind of messed up the sketch here, but not to worry, I'll use the rough sketch to fix it up, so let's continue drawing. Painting! Painting.
If you decide to leave,
My paint's dried out, so I had to refill it real quick.
maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to.
So guys, let's finish this thing.
Give me another chance.
If you're still watching, I just want to say thank you so much. It is much appreciated.
Can we find
All that is left is to color his hands and go on to coloring his clothes. I'll be using a combination of reds and yellows to color his pants. Okay, so after a couple of weeks I am finally done with the painting. Now it's time to ink. Okay, so the painting is finished. Enjoy the reveal.